Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you about how to find reliable suppliers for your dropshipping business. Last time we briefly talked about that, but now we are going deeper, exploring more, helping you to know exactly what you need to know when choosing the suppliers. A supplier is so crucial that a bad one can root your business completely. By the way, we also start our WhatsApp communities recently. We provide all kinds of logistics support there, so feel free to join us. The link is in the description below. Once you find the potential suppliers, it's time to evaluating them. There is a lot of consider here. First, look at their product range and quality. Do they offer the product that you want to sell? Can they provide the product samples for you to check the quality? You should also ask about the quality control process. How can they ensure the high quality of the product they ship? Do they have all the required license or certification that vouch for the quality, like the CCC certificate, RoHS certification, or the CE certificate? These are some general certification that are mandatory. Without this certification, the product may be seized at the port or even get destroyed. Little tips: look for the suppliers that provide the product customization service. It allows you to cater the needs and the preference of your customer better, helping you to stand out from your competition, increase customer certification, and if you even use that as a selling point to set a higher selling price and increase your profit margin. Also, you need to consider their reliability. Check the reviews and ratings. How long have they been in business? Do they have any awards? Remember, it is better to check on various platforms than just one. Google and social media can be quite handy in this case. See if you can find any reference or case study that prove their reliabilities. If possible, try asking them if they have any backup plans if anything goes wrong, like how they handle shipment delays or product shortage. The answer show whether they are reliable suppliers or not. Delivery times are another crucial factors. In the dropshipping business, you want to ensure your product gets to your customer as quick as possible. So check how long their delivery time are. Ask about the average delivery time, best with the fastest time and slowest time. It's also important to understand how the suppliers handle peak period like holidays or the sales seasons. Do their delivery time changing during this period? If so, how much? This information can help you manage your customer expectation during busy period and minimize the opportunities of late delivery. Pay attention to their reach. Can they manage international shipping? Not every supplier is good at handling shipping outside their local region. A tracking system will be great if they have one. Communication is also key. Are they responsive to your inquiries? Do they communicate clearly and professionally? They should be responding fast and clearly. Misunderstanding can lead mistake and disruption. So it is crucial to have a clear communication. Also, consider the communication channel the supplier use. Do they offer multiple ways to get in touch, such as email, phone, or instant messaging? Multiple communication channel can make it easier for you to reach them when you need to. One often overlooked factor is the capacity. Can they handle your order volume now or maybe later when you scale up your business? A supplier that can increase production can save you a lot of trouble later on. And the peak season and holiday, will there be any discrepancy during that period? This is also something you should put in your consideration. And finally, make sure to ask about their return and refund policy. Can customer return product if they are not satisfied, or they will get a refund rather than a replacement? If so, under what conditions? You want to make sure they handle returns and refunds smoothly, as they can greatly affect your customer satisfaction. Some suppliers may only accept return or refund for damaged or faulty products, while others may accept for any reason. Also, ask about who pays for the return shipping costs if it happens. In some cases, the suppliers may cover return shipping costs, while in others, you or the customer may have to bear the cost. All about may seem overwhelming, but finding a reliable supplier is essential part to ensure the successful of your dropshipping business. And if you want to ensure nothing went sidetracked during the process, you can consider hiring someone professional in this field, a freight forwarding company. They have industry knowledge and the expertise to help you to spot the quality suppliers, handle all the shipping process, quality inspection, managing risks, and even help to negotiate with the suppliers. At SINO Shipping, we add more than just a logistic provider. We are your strategic partner in your business, helping you to streamline your operation, expanding your network, and grow your business. Contact us now if you have interested in our service. And that is the end of today's video. Be sure to like this video, share it to your friends, and subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated. Bye.